Okay, so can I have you do those 4 speeds each day, just so you have some varying speeds to just get used to playing, counting, all that stuff. And what I'm going to do is demo things at 60 and 120, and that's what I'll be asking you to demonstrate at the start of next week. Play everything at 60 and then again at 120. So you want to make sure to do those in between speeds as well, because you want to make sure you're very well rounded in playing in between a slow and a faster pace. So anytime you're working on something rhythmic, like what we're going to be doing a lot of, if it proves to be a difficult rhythm, you are certainly welcome to go up in slower paces. For example, say you're working on a complicated eighth note pattern and 60 goes well, you try 80 beats per minute, that goes okay. 100 beats per minute ends up being too difficult at first, so then you try 90 beats per minute instead. And if that goes okay, well then you can go up to 100 and see how that goes. And so then maybe after 100, then you go to 105, then 110, 115, 120. So you're always welcome to go up in slower increments whenever you have something that's challenging. Right now, I don't think any of these are going to be very challenging because you can already play some complicated things. I think now it's just a matter of kind of polishing up, piecing together, like seeing rhythms, being able to count the rhythms, understanding what's happening. So we'll be getting to more complicated stuff, I think, fairly soon. So yeah, it's just a matter of kind of getting used to reading a new language, pretty much. But it's nowhere near as complicated as actually learning a whole new language. It's like, this is much easier than learning a whole other foreign language. Anyway, 60 beats per minute for number one here. So for this one, I want you to count all 4 beats, every tempo that you're on. Tap your foot along with the metronome, every tempo that you're on. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. If you let that last chord ring out a little bit longer on the faster paces, that's fine. You don't have to cut it off right away. We just got to have an ending. I've gone between always having this last chord be a whole note and then just cutting it off early, and now I'm doing the rest at the end because, well, sometimes people forget you don't have to, for what we do, you don't have to let that last chord ring out the whole time. But anyway, trying to make it less confusing at the end there. Alright, number 2. So now you're just going to count out loud what you play. So again, you're tapping your foot with the metronome, and your hand and foot will be synced up. So every time your foot goes down, the hand goes down. Every time your foot comes up, the hand comes up. So you want this constant flowing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up the whole time. So here we go at 60 beats per minute, and I'm going to do it with the repeat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 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 done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4, done. And number 3. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 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 done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 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 4, done. And there we go. So trying to think if there's anything else, but I can't think of anything. But if any questions come up, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you again next week.